In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Google Docs using Google Workspace for your business. This is an incredibly useful feature that can help streamline your workflow and keep your team organized. So let's dive right in. To get started, we'll first navigate to Google Workspace. You need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Workspace homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to access the admin console. This is where you'll be able to manage your organization's Google services. It's usually found in the top navigation, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email account. Simply enter your business email address and click Next. Make sure to sign in with your credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on a secure network, as you'll be accessing sensitive company information. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on this little grid icon, which is a gateway to a host of Google services. From the menu that appears, select Google Docs. This will open up a new tab or window depending on your browser settings. With Google Docs open, navigate to the specific file you want to manage. If it's not readily visible, use the search bar to locate it quickly. After you've opened your document, it's time to start creating tasks. Simply type in @task within your document. This triggers Google's intelligent task feature, allowing you to create and manage tasks directly from your document. Once you've typed @task, you'll see a drop-down option to click on task. Go ahead and select that. You'll then be prompted to enter the title of the task you're assigning. Be detailed and clear, as this helps in communicating the task requirements effectively. The next step is assigning the task to someone. You can add the name or email of the team member responsible. Google Docs is connected to your Google Workspace directory, making it simple to find your colleagues. After assigning it, adding a due date will help keep everyone on schedule. Be sure to choose a realistic deadline that aligns with your project timeline. Finally, confirm the task by clicking Assign as a task. This ensures that the task is saved and your colleague will be notified about their new responsibility via email. Each task is trackable and can be updated as needed, helping keep everyone on the same page. And that's it, you have just assigned a task within Google Docs using Google Workspace. This process not only enhances collaboration, but also keeps your projects moving forward efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy organizing your team's tasks with ease.